talking about the different varieties of burger. Prior to the Chinese New Year, we are having some special burgers which are only made during the Chinese New Year. I'm already salivating looking at these burgers because they're so awesome, you know.
And all this thing is a limited edition.
Yes, they're actually limited, you know, for the Chinese New Year only. You know, here you can see the Prosperity Burger, and you can also see we have the Mary Brown Burger, which is here also, with the Extra Ong Burger. You know, we have also here the Pepper King XL Burger, which we'll be eating also to see how the taste looks like. So I and my wife to actually do this together, you know, so we can actually give our own preferences. I will be giving the preferences in English, she will be giving preferences in Malay, so everyone could follow along what we're talking about. Okay, here you can see they have the salad. This is the salad, and this is the cream.
Okay, which one will you go first?
But first of all, we'll be going first with the Prosperity Burger.
Alright.
Yes, we'll be going for the Prosperity Burger. You know, actually, I haven't had my lunch today because of this meal tonight. I haven't eaten my lunch, so I'm quite a little bit starving. So munching this won't be a problem for me. So I believe my wife is equal to the task. So here is the Prosperity Burger. And this is what we'll be starting with, the Prosperity Burger. You can see how juicy it is. You can see the sauce in it, and you can see the beef. You can see the beef in it. It's quite loaded. But I haven't tasted it. It's going to be awesome. So I'll take the first bite before you. Okay.
Okay. Untuk pengetahuan kamu semua, Prosperity Burger daripada McDonald ni adalah setiap tahun ya. Setiap tahun sempena Tahun Baru Cina. Memang setiap tahun akan ada. Setiap tahun.
It's very juicy. Loaded with the, you can see there are onions, and the beef. You can see also. Take it closer to the camera.
Beef.
Yeah, you can see the onion. You can see the beef. It's loaded. This is quite good with the black sauce. This is quite good.
That's why they call it Prosperity.
Exactly, that's why I call it Prosperity Burger. It's very, very juicy. Let me have a feel of it again.
Tapi rasanya tahap pedas dia kurang berbanding yang sebelum ini.
Not very spicy. The spice is moderate for me.
Yeah, I think the previous one is more spicy.
I'm not a fan of onion, so it's quite somehow for me eating it. It's loaded with
Dia
onion.
memang tak suka bawang mentah.
I'm not a fan of onion.
Kalau saya masak, dia kena potong halus-halus, pastikan bawang tu tak nampak.
So, we're going for the other one.
This is what do you call it?
This is the Burger King.
Yeah.
This is the Burger King.
Pepper King XL.
Wow.
Pepper King XL beef.
Wow. So, let's see how this is going to be. This is loaded with a lot of mayonnaise and black sauce also.
Sorry,
this is a little bit rough. Sorry guys, a little bit rough, but we'll try our possible best to make it look good for you guys, so you can know the review we're having for these. So, I think you should take the first bite for this one.
Oh.
Yeah, take the first bite. Wow, the spice
Wah.
is good. The sauce, it's nice. The sauce tastes good.
Hmm.
You're making me salivating for this. I haven't had it. I'm already salivating.
Sedap.
Let's see what you call sedap.
Dia punya daging.
Dang,
Grilled.
very
Grilled
juicy.
Hmm.
Mm.
Burger King tak pernah mengecewakan. Burger King memang sentiasa sedap.
Burger King.
Ha.
The beef is it's like roasted beef.
Ya,
It's
rasa.
like roasted beef. I feel it when I'm eating it. It's roasted beef. Even the smell, you can feel it. And this is not loaded like with onion compared to the other one we just had now. Okay, we're going to the next round.
Burger King, this is ni salah satu, bukan salah satu lah, memang favorite saya setiap kali beli Burger King. Mushroom.
This is filled up with sauce. We're going to finish the whole tissue we have here.
Ni single mushroom Swiss.
So which one are we having now?
Mushroom.
The single
One
mushroom.
of my favorite. Okay.
Wow.
You try first because I'm always order this.
Wow.
My
Okay.
favorite.
You guys can take a look at these.
Single
It's a
mushroom.
single mushroom.
Single
What?
mushroom Swiss.
It's so dry.
Yeah.
I can't see the
because
sauce.
it's,
There is no sauce. It's just
No,
dry.
mushroom sauce.
There is no sauce in it. I think you could
It's
see
already dry. You
with
already
cheese. You can see the cheese, and you can see the beef sliced into little pieces.
full with mushroom.
Okay, and let me try this one. This is the Burger King, the single
Single mushroom
single
Swiss.
mushroom Swiss. Okay. I think you should try this one.
No-
Actually,
No comment for this one because
There's
I
no
always
comment because it's just somehow for me, you know.
I like this one.
There was no sauce, you know. It's just plain. For me, you know, eating a burger with that sauce doesn't go well. At least there needs to be some sauce there to make it look juicy, to make it look, you know, romantic in your mouth.
Dia suka banyak sos.
But
Saya tak suka.
one thing I liked about this, the cheese and the onion was absent. There was no onion. You don't have any onion in the burger,
How about the
the
mushroom?
Burger King. But the mushroom tastes nice. The mushroom tastes very nice. I won't doubt it. The mushroom tasted nice. It's good. We have the pink lady here.
Very special
I
one.
call it the pink lady.
Yeah.
So actually, what's the name for this one? Be
This is extra ong
burger.
Burger.
You can only get
From-
this burger
from Mary Brown.
during the Chinese New Year.
Yes, from Mary
When
Brown.
the Chinese New Year is over, you can get this. It's a special edition. It's limited.
Yes.
So go ahead and do the testing.
Mm.
What do we have there?
The chicken is crispy.
Okay.
We have salad, lettuce. We have
Oh.
lettuce. We have salted egg sauce.
Wow.
The chicken is very juicy.
Come on, take another bite. Take another bite. And
Very
you take
juicy.
another bite.
The spiciness level, yes, normal.
It's very spicy.
No.
So far, the most spicy I've had is
Prosperity.
the Prosperity Burger, which is the most spicy. So let me have a bite of this.
And set ni dia datang sekali dengan air Nestle, air Nestle Nestle. Kita try air dia.
can feel the taste of the chicken. You can feel the taste of the lettuce inside. Like I told you before, it's just a pink in color. But it doesn't have anything to do with the taste. The pink nature is just the coloring. This is actually spicy.
Really?
This is spicy. I'm telling you, it's spicy.
Spicy more than the prosperity or what?
I'm actually thinking it's spicy more than the prosperity because I'm feeling the hotness in my mouth, which I didn't feel when I ate the previous one.
Macam rasa guava pun ada, macam rasa lychee.
It kind of gets stick to your mouth. When you're eating it, it kind of gets stick to your mouth.
Yeah, that is a salted egg sauce, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gonna get stick to your mouth, and it's like a full dough of bread. You can
And
see it's like a full dough.
The bread is fluffy.
Yeah.
Soft.
So, I could vividly say, I could 100% say, this is the most spicy out of the 4 burgers we just had.
Okay, wait. Last bite
Maybe you
before
try again.
before you finish it.
It's not juicy, but it's spicy. The prosperity is juicy, spicy, but not as spicy as the extra on burger.
You try this drink. I don't know, is it guava or lychee? This is, they call it Nestle Pink.
So the chips.
Yeah, Nestle Pink. Try this. Try first.
Third one,
Nestle Pink.
next to pink.
Yeah, but I don't know, is it guava or lychee? It tastes like lychee, sometimes like
This is actually lychee.
lychee, right?
Yeah, it's lychee. Full confirmation, it's lychee.
No guava.
It's lychee.
Lychee, right?
Yeah. It's lychee.
But
I'm gonna try this. What does this be? This is salad.
salad
And
from
what kind of sauce is this?
this mayonnaise.
I think this is just it's just a mayonnaise sauce.
Yeah, this is from Burger King.
Or from Burger King.
Yes.
Let me try it also.
We're going to help you. Not to help you.
Guys, keep on looking at our sets of delicacies. So when you're
Okay.
picking a pot next time, when you want to try some next time, you can pick which one you think is more better for you. Because for us, so far so good. For the burgers, the spicy is the extra on spice burger, which is more spicy. The extra on burger is more spicy, and the prosperity burger,
For me,
which are the two
Prosperity.
most spicy. Wow, I don't know how we got different taste in our tongues at the same time.
salad ni harga dia kalau
Ever
saya tak
since
silap
I've been a
RM3.
kid, I love salads. So
Mm.
seeing this salad gives me more, appetite to put down in it.
Orang Afrika, dorang suka makan salad. Kalau dengan nasi goreng dorang, Afrika dia orang ada nasi goreng dorang sendiri tau. Dia kena ada salad, kena ada ayam lengkap.
You can see
Okay.
the tomatoes.
Next time
can see.
saya akan tunjuk macam mana nak masak
Tomatoes inside.
nasi goreng
You see the
Afrika.
salads. You can see the lettuce, all inside, which is great for your health. Guys, I'm having a hell of a good time out here. This salad is actually great. I think if I want to get my kid out here, let me make them the participant of this great party.
Let me tell them first.
My kid love,
Okay. Ni anak pertama saya.
Saya
What is your name?
Ayo.
Nama nickname dia Ayo. Actually nama full name dia Ayo Medi Daniel. Kita panggil dia Ayo. Ni nama dia Ife Olua Daisy. Kita panggil dia Ife. Ife. Say hi.
Hai.
Hi.
Hi, Ayo.
Hi. Okay.
Now,
Don't give the kids very spicy.
okay. This chicken I won't give to them because it's very spicy.
Very
They won't
spicy.
eat the chicken, but just for they're going to try the burgers. Okay. So I made it, Daniel.
This cheeseburger is his favorite.
Sit up.
Ben, you want to try? Paling tak makan.
So I want to try this chicken. We call it the mala chicken. The mala chicken, which comes with the honey butter biscuits and the spicy salad, which is inside here. So
Spicy salad.
the mala chicken is
Saya tak
normally
pernah
spicy,
dengar
right?
spicy salad. Pedas. Very spicy.
Damn spicy.
More spicy than this.
I'm not there yet.
Jangan.
It's spicy, but not. It's spicy. More spicy than the burgers. I can confirm that. More spicy than the burgers. This mala chicken is more spicy. If you want a chicken that is very spicy, you go to the Texas and you get the mala chicken.
Tissue.
The Texas chicken acts of the mala chicken, and it's the spicy chicken you're gonna get. Okay?
Tissue.
The tissue are all over.
Oh,
They're finished.
okay, let me try.
Wow. I think you can eat this because it's very spicy.
Oh,
It's quite spicy.
dia punya
And yeah, I love
pedas.
it spicy.
Gigitan pertama, kedua okey. Gigitan ketiga, kat depannya. Pedas.
My wife actually can handle it because, you know, she believes an average African man is a spicy man. And I'm a Yoruba guy. I was born in the city of spice. So
I'm still trying.
I'm gonna be a disappointment if I call this too spicy for me to handle. It's actually good.
Sorry.
It's actually good. I need this type of spicy. Be careful. Make sure you have water when you're eating this.
Okay. No, no, no. Jangan.
Daniel, you want to eat this one? So which one do you want to eat? Oh, sorry, the one I'm eating is too spicy. I'm scared giving it to you.
No, no, no.
I'm scared. Your mama don't want me to give to you. But if I was with you alone, I'm
No.
going to do it alone. Okay, maybe you could try the very brown biscuit.
Jangan.
Are you with it? Yeah, try this one. Good. Good. I love the first bite. That's a champion bite. That's a champion bite. I don't know what I could do with you, my daughter. Guys, is it. Thank you all for staying with us today on our YouTube channel. We trust we bless you all, guys. Follow us, subscribe, like our video, share for more videos we'll be posting. Keep on following us, keep on suggesting for us what you need us to do. We'll keep on impressing you guys. We'll keep on doing our best to make you guys feel satisfied when watching our video. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Tell the camera bye.
Frankies, Frankies, Frankies. Mwah.
Bye.